Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nakabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam ya pi. Yes no but ka ICA.
Arut ke Ophisar jangka Ministry of Education ke Sarkar India hakar pu artrik ujemang arajar posan kilawan shenong ba Shillong ban bishar ke jing trekam bat kham tam ban wanra ke jing ya be ya renti jangka school ba North Eastern Hills University. Ke arut ke Ophisar balapha dengan Ministry of Education kilang Additional Secretary in Charge Department of Higher Education Ministry of Education Sunil Kumar Baranwal baru Director Subrat Kumar Pradhan. Hakajiakran Makilar Pathai Board President Jongka Nehuta Teachers Association Professor Lakhon Kama uliat ho ba kini ki arut ke Ophisar kliya kendo ikakan huan jong kinong hikai kinong tre bagi samla puli jongka skol ba. Ulang ru ba ka Nehuta kelakran syai hakmat ki arut ke Ophisar balapha ka Sarkar India bakam Kwah Shuh bandang yo ibiang yo Professor PS Shukla bandang beteng kumu Vice Chancellor hakan ka skol ba.
Sir, just one question. Can you tell us about the review meeting?
Only about the review meeting, sir. How was it?
Yes, sir. I had a good meeting with the faculty, all the teaching deans, head of the department, and good experience. I hope everything will be normal and will work better.
So
When are you
why is the
submitting?
ministry
When are you submitting?
taking so much time to submit the report?
And deans, and the second one was with Nehuta. It was a very fruitful discussion because the whole idea was look like the team came here to assess the situation, that how we are doing with or without the regular VC, and certainly now without the regular VC. And I think we could convey the problem in the first meeting was the problem of the department and the school as such. But when we said as Nehuta just now, we highlighted, and they know what is important. I don't have to repeat. I think you all have been here since November last year, and you know what has happened. And certainly they also know that it has become very, very untenable for him to even, let's say, think of returning to campus for sure. But what will be the solution is still being worked out, that how do we resolve the matter, because apparently they are keen to resolve the matter, and we are also as a university, as Teachers Association, I think we are very keen to resolve this so that the impasse actually goes off. There has been some modalities that seems to be on the plate, but we have not yet finalized on any of those. Naturally they have finished meeting us, they are meeting Nehusu, and after that Nehunsa and other stakeholders. The only thing is we are positive after meeting them, that seems like they are willing to find a solution so that Nehu comes back to normalcy. And that is where I would I don't want to add anything more, because things are only evolving, because they are still here for next 5 hours. So probably before they leave, we should have a fair idea of what kind of solution we are looking at, keeping in mind that it is almost untenable for Professor Shukla, and we have made it very, very clear in no uncertain terms. We have made it very clear that his coming back here should not be an option at all. Indeed, we have asked, and they don't seems to have any reply, because they said yes, it is being investigated. But I feel that probably they didn't convey us, because we indeed started the meeting, that before we start the meeting, please tell us what is the outcome of that inquiry committee. But they said that no, we have finished the inquiry, we are still studying. But look like apparently they have already made up their mind, but what it is exactly, they are still not sharing with us. But we can only read between the lines. But they have not categorically said what is the outcome of that committee.
Did Professor Shukla attend the meeting through video conference?
No, certainly not. I don't think it is proper or it will be appropriate for him, because this committee independently came here to assess the situation, that when he is not here, what is the situation and what is the problem being faced by the university. I'm sure at different capacity, at different level, maybe he is interacting with the team that we don't know, we are not privy to it. But with the meeting of stakeholders in Nehu, he is not part of it at all. It is the acting Vice Chancellor, Professor S.M. Shuh, who is doing the needful and facilitating the process, convening the meetings and helping in the whole setup. And Professor Shukla is nowhere to be seen during these interactions.
Bila dan kejengtip kinwan na ministry ban pa ya kan ka university juni ma te man betip hi bila ya san ya kasithi ya poro ki stakeholders jong kan university juni ban lang ban bat bet ya betul ka mangrim juni mangin am sha kan ya Shukla ka kuno te entah hi lang kejengwan juki ngila appreciate sha ki bikilawan kenapa long katkum kajing ong joki kila ong hiba kani kajingwan joki amdai bagi wan bagi saya no wan man ai kata ke resolution kebangi ngila up na do meno te ngiruk ngila don hi kajing kerman ba kani kajingwan joki kan wan rak ke result ke bolong ba accept da barok ki stakeholder of university katkum ke joki juni ke report ke Islam ke kita tengimla raban ong no ba resolution ru menta kidang ong kila ong hing kila kular hingi ba ki ong ba ladami kanu kata ke resolution ru kalong ba ke bahar kita jumi kata hi kat kumbang ong hi ba resolution kalong ba kalong ke bahar bat ni kerman ba ya Shukla kinam ailat su bat lada long ke result ke balong opposing hi pat ke bangim semua tenan te kata hingi tengin yang scam ba yo Shukla tada lelero nginum syari ubendro ha ni kelihi tang ba ki ong ba kila simaksan hi halor keturu tang ba kesimpor bat badan ki problem ba seto sene takada ka kaslam gen kiwe pat ki agenda nila ya thu iki ba mentahi ke university long nuduk ba bomdon Shukla gen kala lang kham smooth ke jingyat ke proses nila yo ki development ki AKA badru ngila batay ki ba ki labs ai ginohi ka ai recruitment ai ba kila slow palat te kituro kila sengap hingi ka don kata ke mutual understanding ba batni bati ha por bayakan kila semua thuhi kata batki ong ba kinle ai ke badam kam ha ya kan council lang kila accept ministry barkala ya smooth hi menen barki kam ki ba la disrupt na duk ke por ma bala lang to kan council bala last year te kala ya inta
Wanikong hi nagalian ka ki isu ni unit harakat ka jinget rekam lang rekat bat ka Nehusu menen ka singi layo jing te bakin wan kini ki arngut ki beu na ka Ministry of Education de marmar untahi menen ka singi la draft ka city na yang pro atli ki seng hakaba ngin pediang subha gini pro atli ki arngut ki beu wan na Ministry of Education tambah ladak ka kiwan harakat ka jingdan jung Shukla ngin pediang yo Shukla namar pilatep hi ke bejah po ni university po jing elam jong te menepat menem step ni yo jing tep ba kinwan bet tek tang maki tengi ru na kaliang jungi ni pediang yaki te ngi sutna ru ha ju por kilak ailang ya ka por pani kendu ini te na kaliang ke jongi ngilayo ban pensngo yaki mat ki jura ka bangi kendu ha kini ki sing stem ki blale kamtam ru ha kunjo ha ka por ba jingelam jong Nehu Shukla te nakaliang kajungi ngila pensngo shibon ki AKA bat ni suthuru ba hakani kapor katanya ba undan pat Nehu Shukla la simti shwa ni kong Profesor Saha hadian yo Madam Sungo hakani kapor ni suthu ya kajing ya bet ya nanti ki classes kajing ya ka development ka dan hapo ka university barak kawai ni sedang banyo kita ki basic necessities ki jongi ki ba ke bangi dan kam nadu kasrok kaya lenti ki footpath ki street lights kini kita kilala ban urlong pat ha ka jingelam jong Madam Sungo bat ashwa jong Profesor Saha te ngilaban suturu ba haka jing yalam pat jong I madam sungo henden kasing gal adon ka academic council te haka ba shibun palat chispa tam kino hikai kilai wan haka ni kapo haka ni ka academic council kata ka pin ishai ka jing long tre back tre hok jong ini madam sungo but nakaliang ka jungi students su menen kasing ila yo sim betalang hata ka academic council but ka pin I ka jing shania teli tolong jungi students but kumju ki no hikai haka jing lam linti jong I madam sungo but haka ju opwaro kumbang laong ba menen kasing ila draft ka shithi ya kata ka jing wan jung ini arngot ki na po Ministry of Education ni piang iki Andre kajingwan jung Professor Shukla minum piang dalele tang kata hi kadai kawai kamat ka bangsan nadu sini ni kong kubang yong baniki lakalong hapo paper bangila penyak nadu ki snam gi blalen ne nadu hadu tu sini bangya syong syak tangan ro kata kaju osor kebanmi nangni syakmat ba nginu dalele ngin piang yu Professor Shukla jong kajingalang nila iyo ban keran shibun ki mat ki bangsan kamtam ki hostel issues ki library issues ki infrastructure kajing duna jugi na hikai bat ka bujing bamdan ka recruitment hapo henry nakaliang juki ni sutanat bakila sngap bat ki ongru ya kita gi issues kinsa shim kya bat kinsa le ka badan kam haki sngi bla ki bansawan ho nila pensngoi ki kijing bat ni pensngau ba iki ya ka badai bat ki katkum ki si bangila trekam ki jungi ngila pensngau ba haka tenir ke jong sngo shimla le wat tang iwe basic necessities ka ba ula pensim karai ka de ba jing bat jing ben ngi ki students tang kita hi bat nakaliang jong ru ngila ula kubur bakidegi eki barat ke area ka ba kum Vice Chancellor ula hiban shimti Henry uklam shimla le bat ngiru ngila pensngo ba hakatanir jukini ki arngot ki provisi gi bla wan pan kilala ban pendap iki te kiru ki ongkin sale e ka bahatam kajing kena kamdan satya kum kata ke ba yu Henry nakaliang jungi ngila persang ru ban ong ban phano uni Shukla syakawai pat ka university pha ka transfer ne kani katai Henry nakaliang jongki kem simla ai kanu pat ka jing pentikena bakin le kata Henry ka voice la ni ka sur jungi ki student si iba pulih hapo kani ka school ba ni hu badalele ngidum pudiang syu yo ni Professor Shukla